Today, gonna show you around some of our trucks. This is our one of our most recent ones. We got a couple C24-1s. We took this one, painted it fluorescent pink. Got our white topper on there, some tracks underneath. Got the adapters for the tracks glued on. It's a fun little truck. So just ready to run. Over here, we got our C24 with the RES V3 system in it. We got some carbon fiber lift links from Bantam Engineering on here in the center portion. We got some weighted wheels. Got our little tow chain on there. Speaker in the back, running 1500 milliamp hour batteries and everything. Over here, got the B16. Got metal drive shaft in there, kept breaking the plastic drive shafts. Kind of a homemade plastic drive shaft up there. Take this thing for a run. So with the B16, we took the stock motor out once it burned out and put a replacement WPL 180 motor in it. Using it's turbo racing remote. I really like it. It's got good quality, like fine-tuned steering and stuff. Okay, that's the B16 from WPL. Right here we got our C14. It's currently getting the rear axle redone. Ended up blowing the bearing out in the pinion and wiped everything out. Gonna find a better replacement for the bearings, either a strong oil light bushing or a better bearing. Got a carbon fiber hood or wrapped hood, and painted up door. And we got our C24-1 build going on right here. We just got this truck yesterday. Tore it apart. Oof. Tore it apart and rebuilding it all with carbon fiber. Got a carbon fiber chassis and lift from Bantam Engineering. They're sponsor of today's show. Got our tires, body from that, a couple kits. Whole area is a mess. Pink plate from painting the C24-1 yesterday. But you guys don't watch my channel to hear me talk about my shit, so we'll drive it around. As Kevin Talbot would say, had a little tumble wumble. speaking of Kevin Talbot, he or however you say his name, I don't know if you all seen it, but on his channel, probably like last week or something, he ended up mentioning a comment I made on his channel about how to make the tracks work a little bit better by sewing fishing line through them to help them hold them on a little bit better. Seems to work for me. I don't know if it'll work for you guys. He's probably going to do he said he's going to do a future video seeing if it works for him, but I thought that was kind of neat. He's got like a couple 100,000 subscribers. I have a couple 100 subscribers. Mud truck. We go do the trucks gone wild stuff and mud jams.